Well, hey team, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up here today and do a quick video for you. Hey guys, as you know, I post proof of the results that we're experiencing in this incredible program almost on a daily basis, guys. And we're posting proof after proof after proof. This program's absolutely exploding. Hey guys, I mean, we've got results after results of people that are partnering us in this program. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer is the flagship product, and guys, we are seeing explosions in this system. Hey guys, money order after money order after money order are coming in. Guys, people can join checks and cash and money orders. Hey guys, I want to bring attention to a very special young man that is absolutely going to rock this program and rock the scene. Want to just give a very special shout out to all the new members that came, and especially one of our biggest members. And guys, this is just some of the proof of the payments that have came in, guys, with the program over the last 2 days. Excited. 25, 50. There's another 50. There's another 50, and there is a 250, and a big, huge shout out to our friend down in Florida, Jerry Johnson, guys. He joined at the $500 level. Folks, Jerry's going to rock this program. So if you get a flyer from Jerry, if you're watching one of his videos, hey guys, get started with Jerry today, because you're going to be in good hands with one of the best sponsors. Folks, if I was looking for a sponsor right now in the Millionaire Mailer program, it would be Jerry Johnson. He's joined at the $500 level, and that's going to get him an upgrade to the Millionaire Mailer 6, which is the $1,000 level. Folks, if you want to know how to do it, reach out to Jerry today. He'll effortlessly get you started.